Hey, if you're a small business owner and you're ready to just let 2020 go and prepare for a successful 2021, LinkedIn is a tremendous opportunity for you right now. My name is Michelle Oliver. I'm with Digital Unlimited, and in this video, I just want to share with you a great opportunity for you to experience what it's like to have an optimized profile on LinkedIn and then generate new prospective clients and customers and build those relationships, and also to build out your company visibility on LinkedIn. I've had tremendous success with my clients over the last few months. Things have changed a lot on LinkedIn, and it's a very robust environment right now, which is really exciting for all small businesses. So in an effort to help other small businesses get started, I'm actually running a contest, and we're going to give away 3 prizes. We're just going to draw randomly. So all you have to do is leave your email below or visit us on Facebook or LinkedIn and share your email with me, and you'll be entered into this contest. But what you will receive, there will be 3 winners, and it will be a completely full optimization of your profile. The rules have changed a bit. Excuse me, things are different. So you want to have an optimized profile, and also you'll get to experience 14 days of what it's like to connect with new people very specifically in your niche and develop those people as new leads, clients, and prospective customers. So please, I'm going to be sharing a lot more. Also, if you go to my LinkedIn page, you go to my Facebook page, there will be more and more videos on there. You'll be able to see different tips about how to use LinkedIn, and we will help you position yourself so that you're really ready for a fantastic 2021. So thanks for watching. Go out there and make it a great day for somebody else. That'll make sure it makes it a great day for you. And I will remain devotedly your marketing professional, Michelle Oliver, and have a great day. Thanks.